Air filter time. To take the air filter out without touching the battery, remove your J-bolt. There's a clip just there. There's another one right there. This will then lift up just enough for you to slide your new filter in. A bit fiddly, but it can be done with no tools, basically. Just don't trap that corrugated cable there in the airbox and you'll be alright. But this is a comparison. So goes in like that, right, feeds right in. You can see the pattern in there. Yeah, let's say that needed changing. Service your Estimas, people. Even when they are imported, they're probably not had a full service before it had been imported. So yeah, that's your air filter change. Simple as that.